Welcome to another chapter of SystemVerilog course, and in this chapter we are discussing about union. So in previous chapter we have discussed about structure. So union is also similar to structure, just memory locations are different, and because of that some functionality is different. So let's start with its definition. Union are similar to structure that I have already explained, that can contain different data types members except they have shared the same memory location. So similar to structure, there are different members, means different arrays, but they share the same memory location, and in structure they share different memory location. Hence memory is efficient, but it also restricts user to have one member at a time. So what does this mean? So for example, this is structure, okay, and in structure we have a int a, let's say, and let's say bit something 31:0 b, something like this. So this a will have a different memory location, let's say a 64-bit size memory location is there, okay, and we are assuming this, okay, and in bit we have our 32-bit, okay, so this is 32-bit, okay. So this is a and this is b, so these are different memory locations. So you can store any variable separately in a and any variable separately in b, but in union we have a single memory location, this, okay. And if we have declared int a and we have declared bit 31:0 b, so these two data type, either you can store a or either you can store b. So for example, if you have stored a equal to 16, so whatever 16 memory will be there, okay, rest of the memory will be not used and only 16 will be stored. And if you have stored in next, after some time, b is equal to 1000, something like this, then it will override this memory and you will have 1000, and you will lose the data of 16. In this way union works. So let's see our syntax with an example. Let's say union and int a as one variable, let's say another, you can say logic 31:0 b, and union name, let's say y. So your y is now new union, okay. So in this way you can store union. Now let's take one example of union. Let's say module union a, and we will declare one union type def union, okay. We are creating a data type for that, type def union, and here we will declare our int id and int salary as well, okay, for now. And we are making that employee, this is our union with our type def, okay. Now in initial begin you can declare employee as em. Now you can store in em.
Hit subscribe, like, and comment now. Let's begin the journey of verification.
em.id, yes, em.id equal to, let's say 15. Then you can also have $display. In $display you can say em.id or id simply %d 0d and your em, okay. Or you can just say %p for printing whole union. In this way you can print whole your union packet, okay. Now let's say if em dot salary equal to, let's say 10,000, Okay, and you have used dollar display here, similar dollar display here. Then here you will get id equal to 15, but in next you will get salary, some whatever value you have given. Okay, so in this second salary, id will be a random value. Okay, you don't know, or you will have no value because it will overwrite, because we are using the same memory location. Other than that, it is similar to our structure. And lastly, end module. So this is simple code for our union. And now you can also see a code which I have written here. So here also I have declared same type def, and here bit as a salary, integer as id, and employee. Okay, then employee em you have created something, then you have given some values, then you have display this with your %p and this with your id. Okay, now here I have already told you that salary information will be lost after you have used again that same memory location. Okay, so here you can see in our display salary is this H800, but after id is updated, the same packet salary will be the value. Okay, salary will have a different value, garbage value, because you have given value to your id. So I hope you have understand about union.
Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.